Hello everyone and welcome. Today I would like to talk about squares of a sorted array. I'll be using 3 pointers as a solution, so let's take a look at it. This question provides you an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order. Asks you to return an array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order as well. On a similar topic, I have talked about merge sorted array in another video, which will be using the same technique, 3 pointers. Please feel free to look up the other video in my channel. If we use Python's built-in sorted function, we can have a one-liner solution like this. However, the sorted function has a time complexity of O n of n, and this question asks you to come up with a solution using time complexity O(n). So how can we do that? Here's a tip. When the input array is already sorted, think of using pointers. Specifically, in the merge sorted array question, think, what if nums1 is decreasing? For example, the nums1 is A52 is decreasing. Also, in this question, the squares of the items could be visualized as y equals to x squared, which follows a quadratic pattern. Thus, we can think of this question as merging two sorted arrays, where nums1 is decreasing, but nums2 is increasing. In sum, we could use 2 pointers to track the left and the right ends of the nums array, like P1 and P2, and one more pointer to track result array, like P3. That is, we compare the absolute value of the two items and write the square of the bigger item into the result array. With the background introduced, now let's write the code. So first of all, we'll initialize 3 pointers. So K will be the pointer tracking the results array, where to write to the results array. And left and right will be initialized to be 0 and K minus 1. They are tracking the left and the right in the nums array. And then we will pre-populate the result array with zeros. So it'll be 0 times k. Okay. And now we will process the nums array. Since there are k items in nums array, we will do a while loop. While k is larger than 0, and we will test to see if the absolute value of this left and right item to see which one is bigger. If the left one is bigger, then we'll write it. We'll make a copy of that item to the end of the result array. So result k minus 1 equals to nums left, and we'll have the square of that item, the square term, else the result k minus 1 equals to nums right and the square. And in either case, we will advance k or decrease right, and as well as decrease k as well. And finally, we'll return the result array. And that's our code. So now let's test this code to see how it works. We submit, and done. So let's see. It passed the test. Very good. Finally, we can analyze the code for complexity. So this code has a time complexity of O(n). Since we process each of the nums array item just once, and the space complexity is O(n) as well, since we use the result array that has a size of n here. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find this video to be useful. If you like, please subscribe for more videos. And I hope to see you next time soon. Goodbye.